Hello, this is Sophia from Life Lighting. Today, I would like to introduce a special and unique product to you. It is Family Travel Light. Let's see how special it is and how to use it. Now, let's see. Number 1. Lighting functions. There are 3 lighting modes. Let's see. Low lighting, medium lighting, high lighting. Now let's see number 2 function. We can use it as charger function like power bank. Here we can only need to open here. There are USB output, DC output, USB output with 5 volts and DC output with 12 volts. So how to charge it? We can charge it with solar panels, AC adapter, car charger, or charge with battery. Number 3. Built-in triple structure. Let's see. Unscrew the switch. Then pull it out.